A circular pizza is 18 inches in diameter. Assume the pizza is sliced through the circle center and all slices are identical. Each slice of the pizza has one angle that's 30 degrees. Let's draw the pizza. It's 18 inches across, and every slice has an angle of 30 degrees. So how many slices will there be in the pizza? I believe there'll be 12 pieces. But how can we prove this mathematically? Well, in order to go all the way around a circle, that takes 360 degrees of revolution. So if I take 360 degrees and divide by 30, that's one way to find that there's 12 slices. What is the arc length of the crust of a single slice of that pizza? So there's a couple of ways that I'll show to find this. One way would be by knowing the entire circumference of the pizza, which is C, and then we could divide it by 12. We'll plug in our radius, which is 9 inches. That gives us 18 pi inches, approximately 56.5 inches. All right, now that we know the circumference, we could take C and divide by 12. We get 4.7 inches. That would be the length of just one piece of pizza, 4.71. But I want to find that same answer using a new formula. And the new formula is S equals R theta. Now R is the radius of the circle involved. S is going to be the arc length or distance of that wedge of the circle. And theta, of course, is the angle. But when we use S equals R theta, we have to have our angle in radians. So I'm going to put 9 inches for the radius, and I need my 30 degrees in radians. So let's do that conversion right here. The conversion is 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. And I again get 4.71 inches. Let's try another one. A baker cuts a wedge of cake at an angle of 65 degrees. Say we know that the cake has a circumference of 54 centimeters. What would be the length of the arc of this cake wedge? So, I'm going to take the 54 centimeters, and I'm going to multiply it by a fraction, 65 over 360. And this is going to give me the arc length. It's 9.75 centimeters. Now, can I find the radius of the cake? I'll use S equals R theta. The arc length I had just found to be 9.75. We want to find the radius now. We know the angle, but we have to have it in radians. .59.